Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. These are the Cowl light mounting brackets from Rigid, available for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. If you're looking for a way to add some additional auxiliary lighting to the cowl area of your Wrangler, these are a great way to mount up a single or two pair of lights to the cowl area here with really infinite adjustability. And one of the other really nice things about these brackets, they are made from stainless steel that's been laser cut and formed to fit the contours of the cowl area for a very nice clean look. And then they've been finished in a lightly textured black powder coat to help protect them from the elements. Now the brackets include the cowl mounting bracket, as well as one pair of short standoffs that have been designed to accept a pair of D-series lights. You can purchase separately another additional pair of short or tall standoffs like we have mounted here, giving the ability to add a second pair of lights to the bracket. Now the really nice thing about the bracket, as you can see, they've been designed with a slotted mounting design here that gives you a lot of adjustability in exactly where you mount your standoffs to mount your lights. So that means you can mount two like we have here down to the side, one up high. If you do mount them off to the side of the Jeep, well, that's going to allow you to maintain the folding functionality of your windshield without any interference of your lights. Now, installing the brackets is very easy. In fact, there's no drilling or modification to your Jeep required. They simply install it using all factory mounting locations. They utilize one bolt here on the side of the cowl and two up on top. Now, before you install the light mounting bracket, you will need to install your light standoffs to the bracket, as once they're installed, you can no longer access that hardware from the back side. Once you have those in position, then we can go ahead and remove the factory hardware from the side and top of the cowl, drop in the included standoffs that make sure that the bracket is set away from your paint. Now you want to make sure that those standoffs are placed the flat side towards the cowl and the angled side facing the bracket. Then you can set your bracket in place and drop in the all-new stainless steel hardware to get them installed. And really, that's all it takes to get them mounted to the side of your cowl. Once you have the brackets installed, you can go ahead and mount up either a single pair or two pair of D-series lights like we have here for a really great, clean-looking install. One last thing we see here on the side of the bracket is a great laser-cut Rigid logo that's going to allow the paint color of your Wrangler or Gladiator to show through that bracket for a really great look. Now, if you guys want to get any more information or purchase a set of the Rigid Cowl light mounting brackets available for the 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL or 2020 or newer Jeep Gladiator JT, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the brackets, the additional standoffs, or the D-series lights from Rigid, you can leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.